Hi, I'm Bill Hosley, and I love graveyards and cemeteries. They are like outdoor museums, one-stop shopping for local history, art, and nature. Tombstone tourism, as it is called, is a rising tide. Every year, millions explore the burying grounds along Boston's Freedom Trail. In no field of art does Connecticut's ingenuity shine so bright. Each of our 169 towns present opportunities for learning and discovery. Connecticut Rocks. This program explores the abundance of raw materials, brownstone, marble, schist, granite, and iron, used to fashion markers and memorials. We'll trace the stylistic progression from Puritan's plain style to death heads and winged angels to high Victorian. We'll explore gravestones' history, the stories they tell, these two about firearms safety. We'll meet important personalities in our history like Governor Gurdon Saltonstall of New London. We'll review the evidence of gravestones as artistic expression in symbolism and ornament, and an astonishing death heads carved in the manner found nowhere else in New England. We'll meet the stonecutters, sculptors, and artists who made them. A few, like David Ritter of New Haven, developed large followings. We'll look at language, the words by which we identify and remember. And we'll talk about a legacy at risk, this stone in Bloomfield showing signs of wear and loss over the past 50 years. We'll talk about vandalism and decay and how communities can plan for preservation. And we'll introduce contemporary restorers who can give new life to old stones. Finally, we'll talk about continuing education and the role of tours and tourism in fostering preservation and awareness. If your historical society, library, or garden club wants a program your friends will remember, contact me at wnhosley@snet.net.